How to turn off auto capitalization on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Now, scroll down and turn off the auto capitalization feature as shown. You can also choose to disable other features like show math results, smart punctuation, delete slide to type by word, and more. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto capitalization on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.